Alright guys, and it's official. Ledger has officially announced their new cold storage wallet, the Ledger Nano Gen 5, and it actually looks really cool. For those of you who have been watching the channel for a while, you know that I'm a cold storage addict. I have a whole bunch of them. I tend to collect them. I'm really excited for the Trezor Safe 7 as well. But we'll talk more about Trezor in another video. When it comes to the Ledger devices though, I'm really hyped for this Ledger Nano Gen 5. For those of you who've been watching the channel, even though I've had some tough things, rough things, angry things to say about Ledger as a whole, the stacks and the flex I've absolutely loved. I think they are great devices, and if we are getting something very similar for much less money, I think it may end up being the best entry into the Ledger cold storage ecosystem. My only issue, and this is what I'm wanting to know more of because I did send an email to Ledger support, they have not gotten back to me, is the amount of apps that it may be able to hold. Again, I pre-ordered it, we will test it out, we will see, because if we go back to an older video that I made, here's a video back from August of last year. Basically, I was comparing all three devices. This is when I first got my Ledger Flex in the mail. I was trying to move all my apps from the X to the Flex, and unfortunately, they did not all fit. This was before I had access to a stacks, so I kind of went on YouTube, checked out some of the YouTube channels I trust and like. Crypto Dad ended up having a video, go check him out, great channel, where we saw the amount of apps he was able to put on there comparatively to the X as well. And both the stacks and flex kind of struggled with that. Overall, I still love my stacks, I still love my flex. It makes it the using of it so much simpler when I need to send and receive crypto. Very much approve, just wish they had more storage. When trying to compare the storage, I went to Google, really quick search, because on the Ledger website it didn't say how much storage does the Ledger Nano X have, 2 megabytes. The Ledger Nano S Gen 5 has 1.5, which is similar than the stacks and flex. If this is truly the case, and it basically has the same storage as the flex, and I actually think it's a little bit less storage than the stacks, I think by like 1 or 2 megabytes. In my opinion, the Ledger Gen 5 would be the way to go in my opinion, just because of the value. You still get the nice big screen. Same exact size as the flex, a little bit smaller than the stacks, but the touchscreen does make it a hell of a lot more simple than just hitting the 2 buttons over and over again for not that big of a price difference. You're looking at $180 compared to $150, basically a $30 difference. And when it comes to the actual technology, all three of the touchscreen devices are going to be relatively similar, except the Gen 5 has a lower resolution screen. When it comes to the durability, standard glass, Gorilla Glass, and then I think it's like a plastic hybrid screen, so it's supposed to be the most durable. They all have Bluetooth, they all have Type-C, they all have the same security chip built in, and they all have wireless charging. So if the storage is the same and it can handle the exact same amount of apps than the Flex and Stacks, there's no little app differences or anything like that. Since we did see when the Stacks and Flex came out, there were some weird issues with certain cryptos being able to be installed on one and not the other. Again, we have videos on this on the channel. The big one that comes to note was Caspa, where we couldn't download the Caspa app on the Flex, but it worked on the Stacks. It was a whole thing, very weird. So, like I said, as long as when the Gen 5 comes out, it's on par with all the other things, storage, same amount of apps, etc., etc., this really might be the go-to device in the long run. But I already pre-ordered mine, guys. Let me know if you guys are pre-ordering yours. As long as the FCC approves this guy and allows it into the country, hopefully I'll have it soon and have a video up for you guys. Let me know if you guys are planning on picking one up. If you are, feel free to click the link in the description below, or feel free to scan that barcode that Leggy the Ledger is holding to support the channel. I really would appreciate it. Other than that, guys, hopefully you like this video. If you do, like, subscribe, leave a comment, take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.